What's going on YouTube? Your boy, not your average hopper, back with another vid. You know, it's a little, as you can see, it's a little late today. Come back with a late video in the day. The topic is, what makes you want to race somebody in traffic? Like, always. But let's go over my opinion on it. The topic is, what makes you want to start racing somebody in traffic? Like, you could just be minding your business, you know, cruising, you know, doing your own little thing. And here comes somebody, come flying past you. Oh, hold up now. I ain't no punk. What's up? You feel me? I ain't no punk. Yeah, you feel me? Like, I don't know, I guess, yeah, it's just, you feel me, people flying past you, or you can see somebody, you know, cutting up, you feel me, in between lanes. Okay, where they trying to go? What they doing, you feel me? And I notice it's mostly other, you feel me, other Infinitis, or, you feel me, Mopars, of course, you know, the Challengers, and even some Hondas. Hondas be trying it too. Don't sleep on the Hondas. They low key light. They really be. I don't know, I just find it interesting. Like, people just be wanting to, you know, like have like a little low key fun race. Like, I'm like, alright, cool, I'm with it. But you know, of course, obviously, you know, save all the racing to the track. Do everything safely, you know. Don't do nothing crazy on the streets where you can get pulled over, locked up, hurt yourself or even others, you feel me? Play things slow. But yeah, guys, I don't know, it's just fun. Especially, you know, don't have a modified car or don't have a loud car. Just people gonna try and race you all day. Like, I get it all the time. I just be minding my business. I could be at a red light like I am now. Somebody just get the revenue car. I'm okay, I know what type of time they on. You feel me? I mean, it's all fun. I never back down from a race. It could be anything. It could be a minivan to a Hellcat. I don't care. You feel me? It's all fun. Race hard builds. Of course, it always gotta be an open road, mostly on the highway, of course. So, I don't know if you're around me, and if you gunning, cutting up, speeding past me, oh yeah, it's on. It's a race you asking for. It's a race you gonna get. As you can see, guys, 5% tense. Yes, sir. Big dark. Guys, I'm just cruising, but yeah, like I said, it ain't gonna be too long of a video. I'm on the highway right now. I don't got no contestants, so like I said, it don't happen every time, but you know, you got your few here and there that you know want to test their luck. And they better not test against me, cause I ain't the one. effect, let me give you guys a nice quick look at the whip. I said before, if you guys ain't following me on IG, you feel me? IG always sees it first, so if you ain't following me on there, definitely give me a follow. Yeah, guys, I'm not sure if you've seen it, but yes, sir. Got the color changing lights. Headlights are purple. Fog lights are purple. And I can change it with the flick of a remote. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Yes, sir. Quick little video. You feel me? Till next time. No.